Hi friends, today I have got 20 daily useful sentences you can use every day. Let's get started. Someone greets you in the morning. Good morning. Good morning. You are meeting someone after a long time. Long time no see. Long time no see. You are asking the price of something. How much is this? How much is this? You don't understand the language. I don't understand. I don't understand. You want to borrow a pen. Can I borrow your pen? Can I borrow your pen? You need directions to a place. How do I get there? How do I get there? Someone offers you help. Thank you, that's very kind. Thank you, that's very kind. You are late for class or work. Sorry, I am late. Sorry, I am late. You want to introduce your friend. This is my friend. This is my friend. You don't like the food. I don't like it. I don't like it. You want someone to wait outside. Please wait outside. Please wait outside. You are asking the time. What time is it? What time is it? Someone sneezes. Bless you. Bless you. You need a break. Let's take a break. Let's take a break. You are asking if the seat is free. Is this seat taken? Is this seat taken? You want to pay the bill. Can I have the bill, please? Can I have the bill, please? You want to wish someone good luck. Good luck. Good luck. You are asking for silence. Please be quiet. Please be quiet. You want to start a meeting. Let's begin. Let's begin. You are ending a phone call. Talk to you later. Talk to you later. Great job, friends. Now this is your homework time. Please put the answers comment below. If you like the video, please subscribe now.